Wondering whether to buy or sell Super Micro Computer stock? Today, we're delving into the world of Super Micro Computer. Our initial report was released on our website on Tuesday, February 13, 2024. Now, we're back with an even more comprehensive analysis just for you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest analyses. It's important not to miss any vital updates that could impact your investments. Elevate your trading decisions by exploring our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Unlock the power of artificial intelligence and gain access to free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is solely for informational purposes and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 4, 2024, our system has ranked Super Micro Computer as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 6.81. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have seen an impressive gain of 174.06% since we first listed Super Micro Computer as a buy candidate 28 days ago. This means an average return of 6.22% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential for a significant 105.56% change in the next 3 months. This means there is a possibility of achieving a return between 45.42% and 105.56%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests an even more impressive 180% change over the next year. This could result in a return ranging from 29.89% to 88.47%. In terms of price, it could mean a range of $1,028.08 to $1,491.73 after a year. Our latest update for Super Micro Computer brings a stronger technical forecast for its stock price after Tuesday's trading. On the last trading day, the Super Micro Computer stock price gained 2.39%, going from $773.01 to $791.49. Impressively, it has now gained for 7 consecutive days. It's not very common for stocks to show such consistent gains, so we should expect a small dip in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $745.51 and a high of $799.01, a significant 7.18% difference. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 9 of them, showcasing a remarkable 54.3% increase over the last 2 weeks. Although volume decreased by 2 million shares on the last day, a total of 14 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $11.27 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume despite higher prices can be a sign of divergence, potentially indicating future changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached $810, while the lowest was $85.61. As of now, the current price is 2.29% or $18.51 below the 52-week high, which also stands as the all-time high for this stock. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, February 13, 2024, Susquehanna gave SMCI an underperform grade and recommended a hold action. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Susquehanna gave SMCI a negative grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Wedbush gave SMCI a buy grade and recommended a hold action. On Monday, January 22, 2024, Wedbush gave SMCI a neutral grade and recommended a hold action. On Wednesday, August 23, 2023, Wedbush gave SMCI a neutral grade and recommended an upgrade action. Analysts have given Super Micro Computer stock a general rating of buy. They also suggest buying the stock based on its P/E ratio and price-to-book ratio. Additionally, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating for return on investment. Let's take a look at the signals for Super Micro Computer. Today, we can see mostly positive signals on the chart for Super Micro Computer. The stock is showing buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which gives us a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. If the stock experiences any downward corrections, we can expect some support at $718.76 and $449.05. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Wednesday, December 6, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by an impressive 212.32%. It's indicating a further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. It's worth noting that despite gaining prices, the stock saw a decrease in volume during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be seen as an early warning. Therefore, it's important to closely watch the stock. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence signal indicates a buy. The pivot signal also suggests a buy, 47 days ago. The Bollinger signal shows a buy, 100 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy, 19 days ago. However, the long-term moving average suggests a sell, 30 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal occurred 41 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average indicates a sell, 30 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average shows a buy, 42 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal occurred 47 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about Super Microcomputer and analyze its support, risk, and stop loss. Super Microcomputer currently has support from accumulated volume at $773.01. This means that there is a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upward reaction when this support level is being tested. However, it's important to note that this stock can be quite volatile, with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. Therefore, it is considered to be a very high-risk stock. In the past day, the stock experienced a price movement of $53.50 between its high and low, representing a 7.18% change. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been 6.84%. Before we delve into potential trading levels for Super Microcomputer, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. Firstly, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is a key measure of a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate high growth rates in the future. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is expected to be released on May 07, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings per share are at $5.62. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Super Microcomputer. Looking at the stock's accumulated volume, we can see that there's no significant resistance above. This indicates that under the right conditions, the stock could make a swift upward move. If you decide to enter a position, keep an eye on the volume to determine when it's best to exit. On the downside, Super Microcomputer has its first support level at $773.01. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point to anticipate a rebound. The average rating for Super Microcomputer from multiple analysts is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On February 5, 2024, KAO George conducted an insider buy, acquiring 4,200 shares of common stock. Also on February 5, 2024, KAO George conducted an insider sell, disposing of 1,608 shares of common stock. Furthermore, on February 5, 2024, KAO George conducted another insider sell, this time selling 4,200 shares of employee stock option, right to buy. Moving on to February 1, 2024, Fairfax Daniel W. conducted an insider sell, selling 300 shares of common stock. Lastly, on February 1, 2024, Chan Shu Leung conducted an insider buy, acquiring 2,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 28.845. Overall, insiders have purchased 515,263 shares and sold 258,867 shares in the last 100 trades. Today, we're going to discuss a stock with a recommended stop-loss set at $771.39, representing a decrease of 2.54%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, making it a high-risk investment. Adding to the risk is the RSI 14 value of 98, indicating an elevated level of risk. Intriguingly, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom discovered 46 days ago. Is Super Micro Computer stock a good buy? Super Micro Computer stock has shown several positive signals and is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Based on these factors, we believe it is a good choice at its current levels and anticipate further gains in the next 3 months. Consequently, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock, changing it from a hold/accumulate to a strong buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For Wednesday, February 14th, we expect Super Micro Computer to open with a decrease of $12.82, starting trading at $778.67. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know what your target for the stock is. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us.